Thank you everyone. Today I start light. Light. What is light? Light is the one type of energy, and also it is the electromagnetic and transverse wave. Electromagnetic and transverse wave, and it can produce the sensation of our vision. Light can travel through vacuum and as well as through the medium, but it cannot travel through all the mediums. Some mediums are there through which light can easily pass. They are known as transparent medium. The transparent medium like as air, glass, clear water, glycerin are the transparent medium. Some medium is there through which light cannot pass. They are known as opaque medium. Is a opaque medium, and through which medium light does not pass, like as paper, wood, mud, through which light cannot pass. They are the opaque medium. And some medium is there, light can pass through them partly. They are known as translucent medium, like as crown glass, buttered paper, oily paper, etc. So light can pass through fully through air, glass, clear water, glycerin, and they are known as transparent medium. And also light can pass through the vacuum, and these are known as the optical medium. They are known as optical medium. They are the optical medium through which light can easily pass. They are the transparent medium and vacuum. Now, when the light passes through the transparent or the optical medium, then it pass through it, or light travel through the optical medium in a straight line. This phenomenon of light is known as rectilinear propagation of light. Rectilinear propagation of light. When it passes through the optical medium, it goes in straight path, and when you this path, that is along which straight path light travels, it is known as the ray of light. Must be you have to give a arrow sign on the straight line, because this arrow sign shows the direction of light, in which direction it travels. So it is a ray of light. It is a straight line with a arrow sign. Now this is the ray of light. Be careful, when you draw a ray of light, must you give a arrow sign. If you do not give the arrow sign, what happens? The direction of the light will not be mentioned. Now the beam of light. What do you mean by beam of light? Beam of light means the collections of light rays. That means say these are the rays of light. They are the 4 rays of light. They are collected, and say here is the another beam of light, like that. Say another beam of light is like that. This is all are the collections of rays of light. Here the rays of light are parallel to each other. So this collection of rays is known as parallel beam of light. In parallel, normally the light comes from the very far, treated as a beam of light, the parallel beam of light. Light from sun, moon, stars are treated as a parallel beam of light. And now this is here all the rays of light try to converge, try to meet at a point. If you proceed them, then they try to meet at a point. So this beam of light is known as the converging beam of light. Try to meet at a point, converging beam of light. Here this is the another beam of light. Here the all light rays spreads out from a point, spreads out. Here the comes in, here the spreads out. This ray of light is the divergent beam of light. It is the parallel and it is the convergent and it is the divergent beam of light. These are the three types of beam of light. Now convergent and divergent. Here the convergent means all the light rays try to meet at a point. Divergent, the light rays spread out from the point. Now when the light rays travels through the optical medium in a straight path and strikes the another medium. Another medium means here it may be opaque or it may be transparent or it may be translucent. Then from the upper surface of the second medium, one part of the incident light bounce back to the first medium. This phenomenon is known as reflection of light. For example, say this is the first medium and it is the another medium, second medium. First medium must be transparent or optical medium. Second medium, it will be any types of medium. It may be transparent, it may be opaque, it may be translucent. The first medium is the transparent medium, so light comes in that direction and must be in the straight line. This is the light ray and it is known as the incident light ray. When the incident light strikes the upper surface of the second medium, from that point, from the striking point, one part of the incident ray bounce back again in the second medium and the first medium. This phenomenon is known as reflection of light. Here this is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray and this point is known as point of incident and it is known as the reflector and this point is known as the point of incidence. Now here this point, if you draw a perpendicular at the point of incident on the reflector, it is known as normal. Now the angle between the normal and incident ray, it is known as the angle of incident and it is indicated by letter I. The angle between the reflected ray and the normal, this angle, it is known as the angle of reflection. Now this reflection, every type of reflection obey two laws. First law, this incident ray, this reflected ray and the normal, all these three lie in a same plane. It is the which are incident ray, reflected ray and normal. All these three lie in a same plane. Second law, what is the second law? This angle of incident and angle of reflection both are equal. That means angle of incident and angle of reflection are equal. If it is 30 degree, then it will be 30 degree. If it is 45 degree, it will be 45 degree, like that. This is the reflection. The amount of reflected ray depends upon the quality of reflection, reflected. That means how smooth it is. If the smoothness is very much, then the amount of reflected light will be more. Now already we read about the mirror, we know about the mirror. Mirror, what is mirror? Mirror means it is a smooth surface from which maximum part of the incident ray gets reflected, and it is indicated by like that. It is the, and it one surface, the back surface or the lower surface gets opaque, and it is the mirror. It is known as the plane mirror. But there is another type of mirror which is known as the spherical mirror, like that or like that. These two are the spherical mirror and it is the plane mirror. When there is the two types of reflection. One is the regular reflection and another is the irregular reflection. When the light falls on the rough surface, then from that rough surface the light gets reflected, irregular reflected. That means reflected irregularly, and due to the irregular reflection we see the reflector. But when the light falls on the plain and smooth reflector, not only the plain, the smooth reflector, then the regular reflection takes place, and due to the regular reflection the image is formed. So when the light falls on this mirror, these are the smooth surface, then the image is formed. The plane mirror or the spherical mirror, every type of mirror forms the image. Now there are two types of image. One is the real image and another is the virtual image. Now what is real image? Real image are those which can be seen and projected on screen. Virtual image, it can be seen but not projected on screen. This is the virtual image. The image formed by every type of mirror is the virtual image. This image can be seen and the image formed by the plane mirror is the virtual image. We see the image but cannot project it on the screen. But the spherical mirror can form the real image and as well as virtual image, depend upon the where the object is. Now, in case of the virtual, in the virtual image, the image will be upright. Upright means if the object is in that direction, that means if the head is the head and it is the leg of the object, the image also here the head and here the tail. In case of real image, it is the image will be inverted. That means if the object is in that direction, the image will be in that direction. This is known as the inverted, and it is in the erect or the upright. The image formed by the all type of mirror will be all the real image are the inverted image, and the all virtual image are the upright image. So when we stand in front of the mirror, then we see that virtual image, and it will be the erect or the upright image. When the image is formed in the plane mirror, then the object distance, if it is object, this is the object distance from the mirror, then the image is also formed at the same distance from the plane mirror. This is the plane mirror. But in case of the plane mirror, when the image is formed, there is another change. The right hand and left hand will be changed. If the object is there, it is a extended object, it is the right hand side and it is the left hand side. When the image is formed, then it will be looks like that, head is there, but this portion will be left hand side and it will be the right hand side if the image if the mirror is there. That means it is known as the lateral inversion. That means if you write R here like that, R here like that, you see the R here like that. If you write down L here like that, then you write, see inside the mirror it is L like that. This is the lateral inversion. When you stand in front of the plane mirror, then our left hand seems to be right hand. This is the lateral inversion. This lateral inversion takes place in case of the plane mirror and in case of the spherical mirror also. Plane mirror, spherical mirror both obey these two laws of the reflection. Also the regular and irregular reflection both obeys this law. That means every type of reflection obey the laws of reflection. These are the reflection of light in the plane mirror. And now next video we discuss about the spherical mirror. Thank you.